Aburi tennis. This is your man Kofi, always. So I am up Aburi somewhere, and today I want to show you what you can make of your space in case you're in Ghana and you're building your little homes. So right up here, the little space that we have, we've grown some vegetables. You can see it right here. This is tallow leaves. Tallow leaves, we call them contomere in Ghana. These are special green leaves that you can cook, boil, and then make your stews. And then also over here we have these little guys here. You can see you can grow some pawpaw, some fruits as well. We have tallow leaves here again. See right here we have the garden eggs. These are the eggs. We call them the garden eggs. See them right here. So this is just a little garden. I want to show you around Aburi, up on the hills somewhere. Whenever you're in Ghana and you're building your homes, you just leave some space for your little gardens. You know the scarcity of food now. You don't have to, or you won't have to build on all your lands. You always will leave a portion of your land. Little guys, these are tea grass. So these are tea grass. You find this tea grass right here in this little garden. Yes, so you can see some of the pawpaw fruits. We all know papaya, and then we all know the benefits of it. And then also some benefits of these leaves, the dry leaves especially, you can boil them and drink as tea when you're having stomach upset or diarrhea or whatever. Here is the plantain. You see the plantain tree or the plantain fruit right here. You can see that's the pawpaw over there also. All these yellow leaves get dry to dark brown. You can boil them and then drink. Cinnamon in this garden as well. See right up there, there's a cinnamon tree. Right up here is a lemon tree as well. See some of the lemon fruits. Yes, we all know the benefits of lemon, and then the lemon grass. Everything is medicinal in Ghana. You should have all these guys standing in your gardens. When you're in Ghana, just make space so you can grow all this food. It's important. It's important. Now, globally, there is a food scarcity. There are food shortages now. So we start making gardens of our backyards, beautiful gardens. You see right up here, up somewhere in Aburi, on the hills, somewhere in Aburi. Yeah, cassava right here, my favorite. So I can make some fufu from, the cassava, and then also get some gari right from the cassava, my starch, and then all that. I don't joke with it at all. These are all plantains you see at the backyard, and then also a few cassava right here. Plantains and bananas, they are right up here.